Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage email campaigns with Mailchimp step by step clearly. To start managing email campaigns with Mailchimp, first, create a Mailchimp account if you don't have one. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, username, and password to create your account. After signing up, confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar to begin. To create a new campaign, click the Create Campaign button. Select email from the various campaign options available. Name your campaign to easily identify it later, then click Begin. Next, choose your audience for the campaign. You can either select an existing audience or create a new one. Once the audience is selected, click Next. Now, it's time to design your email. Choose a layout that fits your campaign goals, such as a simple or a themed layout. Customize the template by adding your logo, images, and text. Make sure to include a clear call to action for your readers. After designing the email, click Next to proceed. Review your email settings, including the subject line and sender details. Ensure that your from name and email address are consistent and professional. Once you're satisfied, click Next to continue. In this step, you can schedule your campaign or send it immediately. If you choose to schedule, select the desired date and time for your email to be sent. Finally, click the Send button if you're ready to launch your campaign. After sending, monitor the campaign's performance through the Reports tab. Analyze open rates, click rates, and other metrics to evaluate your campaign's success. Using this feedback, you can refine future campaigns for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.